Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video today where I'm going to show you how you can earn $25 today. And you can earn this money over and over and over again. In fact, you can earn anything from $1 to $25. So watch the video today and I'm going to show you a couple of things. I'll show you the website. I'm actually going to show you two websites that you can go to sign up. So make sure you watch this to the end, otherwise you're going to miss one of these websites, okay? How you can earn money daily. It's newbie friendly. They work anywhere. You can use these methods anywhere in the world. You get paid via PayPal and other methods, and you can do it over and over again. Now that is what I like about these methods. So if you're bored, you're sitting at home, get your phone out, jump on your laptop, start making some money. You can do this at any time, okay? These are great methods and they're two great websites with great reviews on how you can make daily money. Now before we get into the method, guys, can you do me a favor? Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. Why? That way you get to see my videos first, you get to make money first, and that's what this is all about. I do all these videos to make you guys money, and they work, all right? These methods work, guys. You've just got to take action and do it. Now, the other thing I'm doing for you today is I'm offering you some free training. So if you look below the comments, you'll see this little section that says get my free training. Click that link there, guys, that one there, and that will take you to 7 videos that I've put together all about affiliate marketing and how I got started and how I do $100 minimum a day now doing this online. Right, super easy to get started. I'll show you everything over the shoulder and it's free. Nothing to pay, totally free. So we'll jump on with the method, guys. Remember to hit that subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate it. And let's get on with the show. So this is the first website and it says earn up to $60 per test. Visit a website or an app, complete some tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and you get paid. This is a good one. So the first thing you need to go to is here, get paid to test, okay? The other options are if you want to submit an app for people to test on your behalf. So you hit get paid to test, and that will take you to another web page. And then you just sign up. So sign up with your real email address, okay? It's very important. Otherwise, you're not going to get paid, basically. You need to input your PayPal address, and that's all you do. Now, you get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. That is an absolute lot of money. You know, that's nearly $20 an hour. You can't earn that in most jobs, okay? So this is a really good website to make money. And there's a little video that you can watch here that gives you exactly what you need to do. So I won't go over it, but they show you videos and you speak out loud what you think of it. If you think it was good, what needs improving, what's bad. You also get paid to test ads. And for the apps, you get $10 per test. And that's easy. It could involve literally just going to a website, answering some questions about it. It could be completing a task, and the most they're ever going to take you are 20 minutes, okay? You might be asked to give your opinion on a website. You might be asked to listen to some audio, okay? Really, really good, super easy things, and the best bit is you get paid for it. And there are big companies using this website. You know, Apple, Microsoft, eBay, Twitter, Yahoo, Dropbox, Facebook, Wikipedia, big companies. So what do you need to use this system? You need a PC or a Mac, obviously an internet connection, a microphone, and an iPhone, an iPad, an Android, or a tablet. You have to download their testing software to your computer. It takes minutes and it's safe. You have to be over 18 and you need to have a good grasp of the English language, okay? Now, as it says here, this is not going to make you rich, and we never say it is, but it can make you that extra little bit of money to help you get by, okay? Everyone is paid by PayPal, and you get paid 7 days after completing the test, all right? And the reason it's 7 days is because they have to listen to what you've done, all right? these are some of the countries that it currently works in, virtually them all. Just go through the list, guys. There are absolutely tons and tons of countries there that do it. Really easy, absolutely great site. So the one you want to go to is usertesting.com. It's usertesting.com, and I'm just going to make it come on the screen now there. Usertesting.com. Okay, that's the one you need to be going to try this method out. Highly recommended, one of the best sites out there. So that's the first one. I said I'm going to give you two. So this is the second website. And again, what you're going to do is you're going to click the top right and it says become a test user. And you'll be presented with this screen. Enter your real name and I want to become a tester. So this one again pays really well. You can be paid up to $60 per study, where people will ask you questions, almost like a live feed, but that's why you get so much money. You help to design products, and it's different. This is a really good site. Again, there's a video to watch. And this is all around really doing surveys and giving your opinion on things. Now, some of these do take a bit longer, between 30 and 90 minutes. But what's good, this is all on Skype. This is why you get paid so much money, okay? And you are to test things. You'll be asked to look at a website, find something that you like doing, and then you talk about it live on Skype, and at the end of it, you get paid. Again, big companies using this, you know, Doodle, Deloitte, Trivago, UBS, big companies using these sites as well. So this is a good site. The downside is the surveys take between 30 and 90 minutes. The upside is you get $60 an hour. So this probably isn't for everyone, but I think it's really good because this is one of the highest paying websites there are. Okay, really good. So that is this website, and this one, the most important bit, which I haven't told you again, it's testingtime.com. 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 Really good website. Massive payouts, and again, I recommend this one for you guys to look at. So if you guys are looking at making money online, please jump over to my website. The link's below. I have hundreds of videos on here all about making money online. Now, before we go anywhere, just hit that subscribe button there for me, please. Massively appreciate it. Not only are there make money videos on here, there's affiliate reviews of products that make money. There's my own products on here that I've brought out. Honestly, guys, these all work if you take action. So let's just click into here. Just hit pause. Under here is a load of things for you to click. This is my free affiliate marketing training that I said I'll give you guys. It's totally free, 100% free, won't cost you a penny. Don't even need to put your email address in unless you want to. And I've put 7 videos together on how I made money in affiliate marketing, okay? So just go through them, guys. It's really good. And if you want to go on, there's some advanced training that you click there, and that basically takes you through to my advanced training where you can have a one-on-one Skype call with me, and I will help you get your affiliate marketing business on the go, okay? So, you know, some really good ways of making money, guys. You can make money online if you try, all right? It's all about putting the effort in and taking action, and I can certainly help you do that. So if you've got any questions, hit the comment below. Leave me some comments, guys. I'll always answer them every day. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Make sure that you don't miss out on any of my content or any of my videos, because I want you to be part of my team. I've got a great Facebook group. If you want to know what it is, just drop me a comment below and I'll put it in for you. And let's make money together, because that is what this is all about. 1 year ago, I was not making any money online. Now are making a lot of money. So that's it from me. I'm Bobby D. Thanks for listening.